Okay. Well, there's your icebreaker. Boy, okay, so they're gonna hit that. Give me back my shrimp. Ouch. Okay. Ah, little snook. Healthy little guy. Goodbye. Okay, let's see if there's a bigger one over there. He was right where he was supposed to be. That's always a good thing when they're where they're supposed to be. Right there on the end of that bridge. Maybe there's another one over there. You can feel to see how bad he chafed the line. Oof! Oh, that's pretty bad. That was probably a dumb cast, actually, because the line is all chafed after catching that little snook. There's one. Okay, well, luckily he's little too, so he won't break me off. All right. So, looks like we got a few sitting right on the end of the bridge there. Another little snook. So, good morning, guys. Welcome. If you're watching on Yak Lash Fishing, welcome to Yak Lash Fishing Channel. My name is David. I am the founder of the North American Kayak Anglers Association. So if you're watching on the Yak 2A page, welcome to you as well. It's probably close to 7 o'clock now. I'm in Palm City on the St. Lucie River, fishing the bridge now, and I'll meander out away from here as the day progresses, and maybe try and get some live bait, but if not, I've got the trusty voodoo shrimp. I've got a couple of sizes actually in different colors that I'm trying today, and I've got an array of other stuff in case those don't work. So we'll see what the day holds. Right now it's beautiful. It's the wind is laid down finally. It's overcast. It's about 70 degrees. Couldn't ask for a better morning. So come along with me. Let's see what we can get done today. All right. Okay, well, guys, I just had it out dragging it, and something hit it. Oh, it's a snook, a better one. All right. Come here, baby. Let's get you in here. Nice. Good. That's easy. That's a better one. Just beautiful, healthy fish. Love these dark river snook. There we go. Okay. Got to retie, as usual. There we go. Oh, God, that fish had it, and I never felt that fish. Well, that was very odd. That fish jumped out of the water, and I had no idea that he was on my shrimp. Had no idea. Okay. Well, if you'll settle down, daggone it. Come here, man. Come on now. Don't do all that. Don't do all that. There. There you go, little fella. That was, man, that was odd. That really was. Wow. Okay. Well, guess what I get to do? I get to tie another knot. Well, there was one little snook under that dock. Not the size we're looking for, but he was at home. Okay, so guys, once again on a, oddly enough, same dock as it happened last week. My GoPro battery was dead, so I didn't get any of this catch on the GoPro. But this caught this fat snook, and boy, this is a nice fat snook. I'll see if I can get this voodoo shrimp out of him. I'll hold him up so you can see the difference between this, a fat snook, and a regular, like the ones we caught today. There we go. So as you can see, it's pretty distinct difference. The fats have the wider body. They're not as long and lean as the others. But yeah, that's a nice snook. Nice snook. He is fat too. My goodness, look at that. He's got a gut like mine. Wow. Aptly named. All right, well, let's get him back. Okay, buddy. Go on. There you go. Strong release. Good deal. Okay. Boat positioning is absolutely critical when you're, I mean, there's one specific shot to make, and your boat has to be positioned perfectly for you to be able to make it. Yep, there was one under there. Sure enough, he hit it. Daggone it. Come here. Now I'm wrapped around everything. He didn't taste the hook though. He'll hit again. Either him or one of his buddies. But now I got to get back in position just to make that cast. If I could get it back up in under there a little deeper, it would be even better. All right, let's give it a shot here. He was kind of out. He followed it. He followed it out to eat it. Yeah, I need to reposition and try to get one back up in there a little deeper. Kind of lost my angle a little bit, but oh, there we go. Perfect. That was perfect. That's way up in there. And there, oh, there he was too. Wow, that was a good thump. That was a good thump. Daggone. Not sure how he didn't get it. That was a good thump. Whoa. Still could be following it out. You never know. I'm definitely going back up in there though. I can guarantee you that. Wow. All right. Okay guys, just switched up to the vibe here, and first cast, caught one right in front of the dock piling. So now if I can get this out of him without him cutting my hand all to pieces, we'll see if we can see if that's maybe a little pattern of some sort. Well, guys, if you haven't missed anything, I've had the camera turned off for about the last hour and a half. I had one fish on that got off before I ever saw it. It wasn't big, and that's the only action I've had. So I was fishing primarily with the voodoo shrimp, and the bite went cold on that. So now I've got a little DOA terrorize. and I have had a couple of bites on it at least. So right now I'm just looking for bites, and they're few and far between. And the wind, by the way, that was supposed to be blowing 5 to 10 today, is blowing 15 to 20 steadily. I reiterate, steadily. All right. Yeah, there was one. Came off the bridge. Ooh, he's feisty. Feisty little fella. Come here. All right, come here, baby. Feisty little fella. Thank you. He was up there. Anyway. Well, guys, we're all loaded up and we're heading back home. It's about 2:15 p.m. and the sun never really did break out. It remained overcast all day, and the wind started blowing, and it seemed like once the wind picked up, the fish just totally shut down. I caught one more little snook on the way in at the bridge off of one of the pilings, and otherwise that was about it. So all in all, you know, not a bad day. Started off this morning pretty well. Caught up several snook, not big snook, but we caught several fish, and had that nice tarpon on for a little bit. That was, you know, that's fun. And sometimes a trip is made by not by the fish you catch, but the fish you miss. And I think today that's kind of the story. I'm gonna file that tarpon away and how he hit and where he was, and try and duplicate that on the next trip. But anyway, it's always a good time to get out. Always enjoy my time on the water, doing the thing I love to do the most. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you on the next trip. And in order for me to do that, for you to be notified when that next trip happens, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to Yacklash Fishing or to the North American Kayak Anglers Association. And we'll see you on the next time. Till then, tight lines, guys.